So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to check statistics of other YouTube channels. It's quite simple. So for that reason, first of all, open up any of the browser and go to the URL and search for view stats like this and search it up. Now from here, you need to go with the first link and then search for any of the YouTube channels. So I will go with the iShow speed. Here is the iShow speed. Simply tap this on. Now on the channel analytics option, on the first case, as you can see, if we scroll it down, as you can see, there are a few stats like long videos made 48.3 million, or 400, I should say 483 million views. So the revenue you can see here, or the daily subscriber updates you can also see here. From here also the graphs is available here. So that's how you can simply do it. All right, so that's how you can check other YouTube channels analytics. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.